Let's start with a staple of Tunisian cuisine, couscous. What makes Tunisian couscous special, and what are some popular variations? Tunisian couscous is indeed a classic dish and holds a special place in the hearts of Tunisians. What sets it apart is the meticulous preparation and the variety of ingredients used. The couscous itself is made from finely ground semolina wheat, and the traditional method of preparing it involves steaming it 3 times, which results in incredibly fluffy grains. And the choice of ingredients for Tunisian couscous is quite diverse, right? I've heard it can feature vegetables, meat, and even fish. Absolutely. User 3. Tunisian couscous can be made with a wide range of ingredients. Common vegetables used include carrots, potatoes, turnips, and pumpkin. Meat options may include lamb, chicken, or beef, often cooked with a blend of aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, and harissa paste. Seafood couscous, which features fish and shellfish, is also popular along the coastal regions. Speaking of harissa, it's an essential condiment in Tunisian cuisine, isn't it? What's it made of, and how is it used? Harissa is indeed a fundamental flavor in Tunisian cuisine. It's a fiery red chili paste made from dried red chili peppers, garlic, olive oil, and various spices like caraway and coriander. Harissa adds heat and depth of flavor to many Tunisian dishes, including couscous, stews, and grilled meats. It's often served as a condiment alongside bread or used as a marinade for meats and vegetables. Moving on from couscous, what are some other traditional Tunisian dishes that people should try? There are so many delightful options. One must-try dish is brick, a deep-fried pastry filled with a mixture of tuna, capers, harissa, and a runny egg. It's a flavorful and crispy treat. Another iconic dish is mekou'i, which is a whole roasted lamb, seasoned with spices and slow-cooked until tender and succulent. It's often reserved for special occasions. I've heard about lablabi. It sounds intriguing. Can someone explain what it is? Lablabi is a beloved Tunisian chickpea soup. It's made by simmering chickpeas with garlic, olive oil, cumin, and other spices. What makes it unique is the addition of stale crusty bread and a poached egg on top. It's hearty, filling, and full of flavor. Lablabi is often enjoyed for breakfast or as a comforting street food snack. Tunisian sweets must not be overlooked. What are some popular desserts from Tunisia? Tunisian sweets are indeed a delightful way to end a meal. One of the most famous desserts is baklava, which is a flaky pastry filled with nuts and sweetened with honey or syrup. Another sweet treat is makroud, a date-filled pastry that's deep-fried and then coated in honey. Kakwarka, thin pastry layers filled with almond or pistachio paste, is also a favorite during festive occasions. Are there any vegetarian or vegan options in Tunisian cuisine for those with dietary restrictions? Absolutely. Tunisia offers a variety of vegetarian and vegan options. One popular dish is ojia, a spicy tomato and pepper stew often prepared with eggs, but you can opt them for a vegan version. Tunisian salad mekouaya is a flavorful grilled vegetable salad with roasted bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions, dressed with olive oil and harissa. Many Tunisian soups and side dishes are naturally vegan, relying on vegetables, legumes, and spices for flavor. Tunisian cuisine seems to be a perfect blend of flavors, but are there any regional variations to keep an eye out for? Indeed, Tunisian cuisine exhibits regional diversity. Along the coast, seafood dishes are prevalent, and you'll find a strong Mediterranean influence. In the south, particularly in the Sahara region, you will encounter dishes like korba frik, a wheat soup, and gataif, a stuffed pancake. The island of Jerba is known for its unique Jewish Tunisian dishes, such as kfeh, a savory pastry filled with tuna, capers, and spices. It's fascinating how different regions bring their own twists to Tunisian cuisine. Are there any specific dining customs or traditions that visitors should be aware of when enjoying Tunisian food? Absolutely! When dining in Tunisia, it's customary to eat with your right hand, as the left hand is considered impolite. Also, it's common to share dishes family style. Remember to try a bit of everything and express your appreciation for the meal. Tunisians are known for their warm hospitality, and it's customary to offer tea or coffee after a meal as a sign of gratitude. Thanks for sharing these insights. It's clear that Tunisian cuisine is a treasure trove of flavors and traditions. I can't wait to try some of these dishes. Indeed, Tunisian food is a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. Whether you're a fan of spicy flavors, aromatic spices, or sweet desserts, there's something in Tunisian cuisine to satisfy every palate. It's a testament to the country's rich history and cultural diversity. This discussion has made me hungry. I'm definitely going to seek out some Tunisian restaurants in my area or try cooking some of these dishes at home. That's a fantastic idea, User 21. Cooking Tunisian dishes at home can be a rewarding experience, and it allows you to customize flavors to your liking. Just make sure to have some harissa on hand if you enjoy a bit of heat. I've learned so much about Tunisian cuisine today. Thanks to everyone for sharing your knowledge and enthusiasm for this incredible culinary tradition. Agreed, User 23. It's been a pleasure discussing Tunisian food with all of you. If anyone has more questions or wants to share their experiences, feel free to keep the conversation going. Tunisian cuisine is a topic that's always worth exploring further.